What's going on, guys? This is Nikki from MotoDLVRD. Each month, we're gonna be doing a product breakdown for something that was featured inside our monthly boxes. Last month, we featured a sample of Ryno Power's vanilla protein powder. We've all been there. You've ridden all weekend, come Monday or Tuesday, you are absolutely sore. One of those reasons, you haven't put enough protein back in your body. So today, we're gonna show you how to make a delicious and nutritious smoothie. So follow us, and we'll show you how. So all you'll need for this is a blender, a bag of frozen berries, regular or almond milk, almond butter or peanut butter, Ryno Power vanilla protein powder. Pour in 1 cup of frozen berries. Add a spoonful of peanut butter or almond butter, whichever you prefer. Add 2 scoops of Ryno Power vanilla protein powder. Add as much almond milk or regular milk as you would like to get the consistency that you desire. Obviously, when you add more liquid, it's going to become smoother. Blend everything up and you're ready to go. Alright guys, it's as simple as that. Thank you for checking out our Ryno Power Protein smoothie video, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be posting videos like this every month, giving product breakdowns on things featured inside our monthly boxes. Alright, later.